Hello and welcome to Cannon County Algebra 2. Today is our second in our series of videos designed to help you to do some of the IXLs for those of you who did not pass third quarter to make up those IXLs and get some credit for those. This one is how do I do L.12? So, Mr. Lyon, you are going to have to watch from over there. I'm going to try to do this on the actual computer because this talks about domain and range, and there's a lot of graphs. And so I'm hoping that this will show up on the computer or on your video screen as well as I can see it. And what you need to know about these is, let me see if I can zoom in. Maybe I can zoom in on this a little bit too. Well, or if I just zoom in here. We'll see how well this works. But for this one, they're asking for the range of the function. Just remember, domain means left and right. Range means up and down. So if they're asking you for the range of the function, they're asking you, what kind of values will this function have going up and down? Well, it looks like it starts right here, and I'm hoping that that shows up on the video, but right here is at -3. So thinking about the up and down part of this graph, starting at -3, it goes up. Now, up is greater than. So the answer would be that y is greater than or equal to -3. So you choose your answer. Y is greater than or equal to -3. Notice that one of the answers says y is greater than 3. The reason why we're choosing y is greater than or equal to 3 is because right there, well, you can't see that, can you? Let me go back up. There it is. That dot right there is closed in. That means it's equal to. If it was an open dot, like a circle that wasn't filled in the middle, then it would just be greater than. But since it's greater than or equal to, that's it. Y is greater than or equal to -3. We'll hit submit, and hopefully it'll tell us that we did well. Yeah, there you go. All right, let's try a few more of these. Let's take a look at this one. This time they're asking us for the domain. What is the domain of the function? Domain is left and right, okay? So forget about the up and down, just look at the left and right. Where does it start as you go from left to right? Well, it looks like it starts right here. Where is there? Well, that looks like it's at -6. So it's starting at -6 and it's going to the right. So that means x is going to be greater than or equal to -6. So x is going to be greater than or equal to -6. You make your choice. And you submit. Yay. All right, this one says, what is the domain of this function? Again, domain is left and right. So, forget about up and down. Just think about left and right. Domain of the function. As you're going from left to right, where do we start? Well, it looks like we're starting right at -8. At -8, and then it goes to the right. So that means that x is going to be greater than or equal to -8. There it is. X is greater than or equal to -8. Let's just do a couple more. All right, let's see. Domain. Does it say domain? Yeah, there it is. Domain of the function. So domain is left and right. So on this one, it looks like for left and right, we're starting at 0, but we're going to the left. So x has to be less than or equal to 0. X is less than or equal to 0. Right there. Okay, get the idea? I'm up to a 36. You need to get up higher than that. So let's just do one more. Let's see, this one, it says domain of a function. Again, so this is left and right. Domain is left and right. Range is up and down. Domain, left and right. So where are we starting on the domain? It looks like we're starting right about here at -2. And then we're going to the right. So x is greater than or equal to -2. And that's it. Now you can see I'm already up to a 43 and you have to get up to an 80. But here's the secret. On this one, I only want you to go to a 70%, okay? The reason for that is when you get higher than 70, it starts asking you to do these without the graphs. And honestly, it's not that important to me that you know how to do it right now without the graphs. So just do this one to a 70% and I'll give you full credit, okay? Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.